Counting coins is very fun, so let's get to it.
Today we are going to help Macy, Peter, Joshua, and Emma buy some snacks at the store. Each have a bunch of coins, so let's help each of them count enough to pay for their snacks. Macy is trying to buy popcorn at the movie theater. The popcorn costs $5.35. This means that it costs $5.35. Macy has $3, 3 pennies, 10 quarters, 4 dimes, and 2 nickels. Let's help her pay. Let's start off with the $5. Here we have $3, so we can put those aside. Now we need to make 2 more dollars. We know that 4 quarters is equal to $1, so we can use 8 quarters to get our $2. Here we have our second dollar. Okay, so now we have $3, $1, $1, so that is $5 here. Now we need 35 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. So let's count it up. Did we count right? $3 plus $1 is $4, plus another dollar is $5, and then 25 plus 10 is 35 cents. So yep, we have $5.35. Let's help Peter now. Peter is buying an apple at the grocery store. The apple costs $1.40. Peter has 5 quarters and 4 dimes. Okay, let's help him out. So again, we know that we need $1, and we know that 4 quarters is $1, right? So this right here is equal to $1. Okay, now we need 40 cents. Well, we have 4 dimes right here. Each dime is worth 10 cents. If we add all the 10s together, we get 40. So 4 quarters plus 4 dimes is equal to $1.40. And he's left with 25 cents over here. Joshua has $4, 5 dimes, 3 nickels, 1 quarter, and 5 pennies. Okay, so we need $3. Joshua has 4, so we only need these 3. We can put this one aside. Now we need 63 cents. So let's see, we have 25 cents right here. If we add 25 cents right here, if we add 10, that's 35. If we add another 10, that's 45. If we add another 10, that's 55. 65 would be too much. So 55 plus a 5 is 60. And then we need 3 pennies to get 63. Okay, so again, let's see how I did that. We have $3 here, so we're left with the 63 cents. I took the 25, and then I added 10, because a dime is worth 10, quarter is worth 25. This is worth 35 cents. If you add another dime, that is 45 cents. If we add another dime, that will give us 55 cents. And then let's go over here. So we have 55 cents. If we add this nickel right here, that is 5 cents. So we'll get 60. And then we need 63. So we'll add these 3 pennies. 60 plus 3, because they're each worth 1 cent, is equal to 63. 63 cents. So Joshua needs these $3, 1 quarter, 3 dimes, 1 nickel, 3 pennies, and he's left with $1 and 10, 20, 22 cents. Okay, time to help out Emma. Emma is buying a yogurt for breakfast. Her yogurt costs $2.99. She has $1, 5 quarters, 8 dimes, 10 nickels, and 10 pennies. So right here we have $1. We need another $1 because we need $2. So we can make $1 by saying 4 quarters. This right here, 4 quarters. Let's move all these aside. Okay. We have $1, and then these 4 quarters are also $1. So now we have $2 here. So now we need 99 cents. Okay. We have 8 dimes. So 8 dimes would give us 80 cents. This is, you can count by tens. You could say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So this right here is 80 cents. So to get 99 cents, we need 19 more cents. 5, 10, 15 cents right here. And then we need 4 more cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see. So $1 plus 4 quarters is $2. And then 80 cents plus 15 cents plus 4 cents is 99 cents. We can also do this like this. So 80 plus 15 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get 99 cents. I hope that video helped. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want more. Bye-bye.